Hey everyone, today we're talking about something seriously exciting, the brand new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This is Samsung's most premium smartphone for 2026, and it's not just an upgrade, it's a statement. Every year, Samsung pushes the limits of what a smartphone can do, and with the S26 Ultra, they're clearly aiming to redefine what Ultra really means. So if you're thinking about upgrading your phone this year, or you just love staying updated with the latest tech, this is one device you'll want to know about. Let's start with the design, because first impressions matter. The Galaxy S26 Ultra looks sleek, modern, and undeniably premium. Samsung has refined the edges, making it more comfortable to hold despite the large screen size. The frame feels solid and durable, and the matte finish on the back not only looks elegant, but also resists fingerprints better than glossy finishes. The camera modules blend more seamlessly into the design, giving it a cleaner and more futuristic look. It's the kind of phone that immediately feels high-end the moment you hold it. Now let's talk about the display. And wow, this is where Samsung continues to dominate. The S26 Ultra features a massive 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with ultra-sharp resolution and a smooth 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. Whether you're scrolling social media, watching Netflix, or playing games, everything feels fluid and incredibly vibrant. Colors pop, blacks are deep and rich, and brightness levels are impressive even under direct sunlight. One of the standout additions this year is an enhanced privacy viewing feature that reduces visibility from side angles, which is perfect when you're in public spaces and don't want strangers glancing at your screen. Performance-wise, this phone is an absolute powerhouse. It runs on the latest Flagship Snapdragon 8 series processor, specially optimized for Galaxy devices. In real-world use, that means blazing fast app launches, seamless multitasking, and high-performance gaming without noticeable lag. Whether you're switching between apps, editing videos, or playing graphics-intensive games, the S26 Ultra handles everything effortlessly. Combined with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and storage options going all the way up to 1 terabyte, you'll have more than enough power and space for years to come. But what truly makes this phone stand out is how deeply integrated AI has become. Samsung has taken Galaxy AI to the next level. The phone can intelligently enhance photos, summarize notes, translate calls in real time, and even assist with writing messages. Imagine typing a rough message and having your phone polish it instantly, or removing unwanted objects from your photos with just a tap. The AI features feel practical rather than gimmicky. They're designed to make everyday tasks easier, faster, and smarter. Now let's move to one of the biggest highlights, the camera system. The Galaxy S26 Ultra continues Samsung's tradition of pushing smartphone photography to professional levels. It features a powerful multi-lens system led by a 200-megapixel main sensor that captures extraordinary detail. Photos come out sharp, vibrant, and balanced in almost any lighting condition. Night photography has improved even more, delivering brighter and clearer low-light shots without excessive noise. The ultra-wide lens allows you to capture expansive landscapes or group photos effortlessly, while the advanced telephoto and periscope zoom lenses let you zoom in at incredible distances while maintaining clarity. Whether you're taking portraits, food shots, travel photos, or even moon shots, this camera system adapts beautifully. Video recording is equally impressive. You get ultra-high resolution recording with enhanced stabilization, making it perfect for vlogging or capturing action scenes. Even if you're walking while filming, the footage remains smooth and steady. Audio recording has also been improved, capturing clearer voices while reducing background noise. For content creators or casual users who love recording family moments, this phone delivers cinematic results straight from your pocket. Battery life is another area where the S26 Ultra shines. It packs a large 5,000 mAh battery that comfortably lasts a full day of heavy usage. Streaming, gaming, browsing, video calls, this phone keeps going. And when you do need to recharge, fast charging technology ensures you're powered up quickly. Wireless charging is also available, along with reverse wireless charging, which means you can top up your earbuds or another phone directly from the back of your device. It's convenient and practical for everyday life. Let's not forget the S Pen, which remains one of the Ultra series' most unique features. Built directly into the phone, the S Pen is perfect for taking notes, sketching ideas, editing photos with precision, or signing documents on the go. The responsiveness feels natural and fluid, almost like writing on paper. For students, professionals, or creative users, this adds a level of productivity that most smartphones simply don't offer. On the software side, the Galaxy S26 Ultra runs the latest version of Android with Samsung's refined One UI interface. The experience feels clean, intuitive, and customizable. You can personalize themes, widgets, lock screens, and layouts to match your style. Samsung also continues to promise long-term software and security updates, which means this phone isn't just powerful today, it's built to stay secure and optimized for years to come. Durability has also been improved. With enhanced Gorilla Glass protection and water and dust resistance, the S26 Ultra is built to handle everyday accidents. While you still want to use a case, it's reassuring to know the device is engineered with toughness in mind. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.